Hey everyone! In this brief video I will explain what you need to change from Unreal 5.6 to Unreal 5.7 and build APK file in Android. Okay, let's start. First of all, you need to download 5.7 Unreal and click here, Options, and Enable Android platforms and click Apply. I downloaded so it works on my side. After that, let's open Unreal. I have Touch Manager project and we need to click Platforms, SDK Manager, Android, and here we need to click Install SDK, but I installed it so I have reinstalled, but you will have install. So we need to press it, wait some time, and restart in the end the project. And after that you are able to work with the new setup. After restart you need to open the project launcher here, create your launch profile and add the name for it. I'm not going to do this because I have already a new Android. So let's press here and you can change it also. So target platform, it's important to select async this one. Usually we always do like this. As a configuration, shipment, maybe debug or development. And this you need to select also. Build archive, it's where is your build will be located. I have on the APK folder. You can do pretty the same. And initial map when you press here, so you can select the map which will be the startup map. And after that you can press launch and we will have launching new in the Unreal 5.7. And I will pause the video because it can take some time, but in the end of it we'll have progress and new APK file. After some time we have completed our all tasks and it's ready like previously we had. So we have our APK file, we can uninstall and install with this handly and great the bot files. Thank you guys for watching, hopefully it will be helpful and thank you, bye.